Hi, my name is Brittany McAfee. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, and I love to sing. Today I will be singing Falling by Alicia Keys. So, yeah. Um, I keep on falling in and in love with you. Sometimes I love you. Sometimes you make me blue. Sometimes I feel good. At times I feel you. Loving you, darling, make me so confused. I keep on falling in and out of love within you. I never loved someone the way I'm loving you. I never felt this way. How do you give me so much pleasure? Cause me so much pain. Yeah, yeah. That's when I think I'm taking more than what a fool.